Here are some of the first care products that I've used this 2025 that I'm still going to get again. I'll repurchase, I'll keep buying, I'll use it again and again and again in 2026. Without wasting much time, let's get straight into it. In no particular order, I'm going to be starting with this. This is the first Ceramide Skin Barrier Complex Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. Oh my goodness. Bought this cleanser 3 times. Yes, just 3 times. This cleanser lasts for months. It can last me for 4 months, 5 months. A little goes a long way. I've been using this cleanser, and ever since I started using this cleanser, I have not switched to any other cleanser. This is that cleanser that can help to strengthen your skin barrier. This is that cleanser that will help to cleanse your skin and also moisturize your skin, even while cleansing your skin. You know, there are some cleansers that you use on your skin, and after you are done washing your face with, most times it will dry out your skin. Most times your skin will feel so dry. This cleanser doesn't do such. This cleanser, even after using it to wash your face will still look as if you applied a moisturizer, you know. So you know that you have sensitive skin, you know that you have dry skin, this cleanser is for you. I got this one for 7,500 the last time I got it. Next on my list is this First Fast Ceramide Skin Barrier Moisturizing Gel Cream. Yes, this is also a very good cream for dry sensitive skin. If you know that you have a dry skin, you have sensitive skin, you want to repair your skin barrier, this is that face cream for you. Okay, so most times when you're done exfoliating your face, exfoliating your skin, you can go in with this is going to help to balance your skin, calm your skin, you know, and it's very lightweight as well. This one is almost finished. That is why it's looking like this, because I have pressed the hell out of this face cream. It's finished, finished, finished. It's finished, 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 finished. Oh my god. It's very, very lightweight on the skin that a dry skin person can use. Even an oily skin person can use this face cream, okay? If you know that you have oily skin, dry skin, sensitive skin, this is that cleanser for you. Sorry, this is that face cream for you, okay? It doesn't brighten the skin, it doesn't change your complexion, it is just a moisturizing gel cream that will just help to protect your skin and moisturize your skin. That's all, okay? This one for I think 4,500 or 5,000 when I got it. I can't remember right now, but it's within the price of 4,000 to 5,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. Next on my list is also another Face Fat face cream, and this Face Fat face cream, I've actually made a video about this particular cream, and it's actually still getting views. In that particular video, I'm still getting views about this particular face cream. Yes, this face cream, a lot of people have been saying, this face cream is not working, it doesn't brighten the skin, it doesn't this, it doesn't that, it doesn't, like, they're trying to have, some people are having high expectations for this face cream. Don't have, when you get this face cream, don't put your hopes high like this. Bring it down small, okay? This face cream contains azelaic acid, kojic acid, and niacinamide tranexamic acid. This is what drew me to getting this face cream, because I actually needed a face cream then that is going to brighten my face. You know, I was having high hopes. In short, I was having high hopes. I was expecting this face cream to brighten my face and make my face to be very, very bright, you know, that kind of glow. But it's a subtle brightening face cream. Yes, it's not that kind of face cream that you use and you expect to see results even in 2 weeks. And your face will now be looking very brightened. No, it's a subtle brightening face cream, you know. This face cream is not to be used during the day, except you know you're going to protect your skin really, really well with a good number of, with a very good sunscreen, or you know you're going to stay out of the sun. But if you know that you're going to use this face cream and you're walking around under the sun, to get darker times 10. You know why? Because it contains kojic acid, and kojic acid, when applied and you are exposed to the sun, it gets you darker. That's how I see it, and that is what it has done on my skin. When I got this face cream, I think I got it for 5,000 or 7,000. I can't remember right now, but it's within that price range. Another face cream that I'm currently using right now, like I just got this one recently, like a month ago, is this Simple Replenish Rich Moisturizer Gel face cream. Yes, this face cream is really, really nice to use on the face. Not greasy on the skin. It is not thick on the, like, it is not heavy on the skin. But if you know that you have oily skin, please, this is not the face cream for you. If you know that you have oily skin, this is not the face cream for you, okay? This face cream is mostly for dry, sensitive, and combination skin. Yes, combination skin can actually use this face cream. This face cream is only going to moisturize your skin. It's not going to brighten your skin or do what. Anybody that will tell you that this face cream is going to brighten your skin is not true. Okay, this is just going to moisturize your skin. It's just going to repair your skin barrier, protect your skin. Okay, and I got this one for 5,000 naira when I got it. Now, next on my list is this Skeenpoint Brightening Vitamin C Serum. Yes, this is a, a vitamin C serum that I'm currently using. I got this 2 months ago and I'm loving it. I'm so loving this serum. Trust me, I love this serum so much. It's going to help to brighten your face over time with using it every day. It's going to help to brighten your face. It's going to help to firm your skin, improve your skin tone, and fade sunburn over time. Okay, this first serum is a must have. I've tried other serums, I've tried other vitamin C serum like the First Fat vitamin C serum, but I think I prefer this to the First Fat vitamin C serum. The First Fat vitamin C serum didn't really do much on my face for brightening my skin, but this one I'm actually seeing changes on my skin. Okay? Next on my list is the First Fat Niacinamide serum. When I tell you that I've used a lot of First Fat products this year, especially for my face, I'm not even joking. Like I have almost all their serums, but I'm just going to stick to the ones that I'm going to buy again this next year. Okay, so one of them is the First Fat Niacinamide serum. Yes, this one right here is almost finished. I really love the First Fat Niacinamide serum. Ever since I started using the First Fat Niacinamide serum, before now I used to produce more oils on my T-zone area. I have combination skin, but before I started using this, I used to produce more oils on my T-zone area. But ever since I started using the First Fat Niacinamide serum, as part of my morning skincare routine, trust me, it has been a game changer for me. Like it has reduced that too much production of oils. Yes, this is one thing that niacinamide serum does. It will help to reduce too much production of oils on your face, especially if you know that you have oily skin. Don't expect it to work overnight. Okay, it's something that you give it time. It will, before you know it, you might not even notice it, but as time goes on, you start noticing that your face, that the oil production on your face is not as before. Okay, as long as you're consistently using this. So the First Fat Niacinamide serum is one serum that I'm still going to buy next year, 2026. Okay, so you need to include it in your skincare routine. Another serum is also from First Fat, is the First Fat Salicylic acid. I've actually made a video of how I use this to exfoliate my face. I'm going to leave the video link in the description box. Yes, this is salicylic acid. I have combination skin. Yes, this salicylic acid is mostly used if you know you have oily skin, oily acne prone skin. But for me, I have combination skin, so I can still use it because I produce oils on my T-zone area, so I can still use salicylic acid as an exfoliant. Okay, so salicylic acid is what I use to exfoliate my face sometimes. Okay, to help to improve your skin texture and also minimize the appearance of what is it called, pimples, acne. Okay, this over time, when you are using salicylic acid over time, it's going to help to reduce the appearance of pimples. It's going to help to control pimples on your face. You won't be having too much pimples. You won't be having too much oils on your face anymore. It's almost like niacinamide serum. Okay, and I also got this for the price of, it's also within that price of 5,000 naira. That is how much I got this for. Okay, another serum that I've been loving ever since I got it is the Estelin B5 Ceramide serum. Yes, this serum is actually for skin repairing. I use this on days that I exfoliate my face. So on days that I use this salicylic acid serum, after using this, I go in with this. Yes, I use ceramide serum to kind of repair my skin, because after exfoliating your face, most times your skin will now be more sensitive and more exposed. So I use this to kind of calm it down. Plain ceramide serum is what I'm currently using as a barrier repairing serum. Okay, yes, it's still within that price of 4,500. I can't remember it right now, but it's within that price range. Okay, so if you know that you exfoliate your skin, always make sure that you follow up with a ceramide serum before you go in with your moisturizer. It's very important. Next on my list is this sheet mask. This is the Puqianna, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, Puqianna facial mask. This one actually contains vitamin C, sweet orange vitamin C, softening, moisturizing. Yes, after using this sheet mask, you will see, I've actually not made a video where I use this sheet mask, which I'm going to do. Sheet mask actually helps in, hydrating your skin. Like you get this hydration. I also use this sheet mask mostly if I use an exfoliating glove on my face. Yes, because sometimes I'll get a lot of pimples on my face. Usually, if I'm about to see my period, I usually get a lot of whitish pimples, little whitish pimples on my face. So most times I use exfoliating gloves to exfoliate my face. Okay, so when I'm done, I'll go in with this sheet mask. This actually helps to hydrate, like I don't know how to put it. It hydrates my skin, hydrates my face. Sheet mask is a must-have in your skincare routine. I buy it in dozen for 2,500. Sometimes I buy it for 2,000 naira. Now, next on my list are sunscreens, and I have three sunscreens that I've tried out this year on my face that I'm still going to use again and again and again. The first one is the Skin Aqua sunscreen. This Skin Aqua sunscreen, if you know that you have dry skin, if you know that you have combination skin, normal skin, this is the sunscreen for you. Okay, if you know that you have oily skin, please avoid this sunscreen. It's not for you. Okay, it's good. It's very, very good to use on the skin. It's going to protect your skin. It's going to hydrate your skin, give you that moisture on your skin. Okay? Another sunscreen is the Beauty Routine SPF 50 plus plus sunscreen. This is the cheapest sunscreen that I've used this 2025 that doesn't leave white cast, that moisturizes my face and get the job done. Trust me, I actually got this sunscreen for 4,000 naira when I got it, and it gets the job done. Trust me, yes, it gets the job done. It doesn't leave white cast. It's very, very hydrating, and it's very, very lightweight. It doesn't feel greasy at all. Last but definitely on the list, sunscreen that I've gotten this year that I'm still going to buy again next year is the Tokobo sunscreen. Yes, this is a very hydrating sunscreen that if you know you have oily skin, you know that you have oily skin, please just go and get your hands on this. If you know you have oily skin, it's just that it's a bit pricey for the size. This is 50 ml and I bought it for the price of 15,000 naira. But trust me, it's worth all the money. Yes, it's worth all the money, even though it doesn't last long, but it's worth all the money. If you can afford it, get your hands on the Tokobo sunscreen. Tokobo sunscreen is my baby. It has my heart. I'm still going to buy this sunscreen again and again and again in 2026. Okay. The three sunscreens that I've shown in this video doesn't sting the eye, it doesn't leave white cast. Okay, this sunscreen is what you need if you know you have oily skin. Okay, that's but definitely not the least item or product, I don't know what to call this one, that I'm still going to get again and again and again next year is an exfoliating gloves. Like I said earlier, sometimes before I actually say my period, I usually have little whitish pimples on my face. So this is what removes those pimples on my face. Trust me, when I put this on, I get my um first wash, my first cleanser. I just put it on with my first cleanser. I will use it to gently wash my face. It can be a bit harsh. If you know that you have sensitive skin, please abort mission. Don't use this. Don't use it, please. If not, your face will be so irritated and you will start thinking that I'm not saying the truth. But if you know that you have normal skin, like your skin is normal, your skin is combination, your skin is oily, you can actually use this. Okay. So those are some of the products that I've used this year 2025 that I'm still going to repurchase. I'm still going to get them in 2026 and continue using them. Except maybe along the line it's no longer working on my skin, or I just want to try other products, which I know I'm definitely going to try, because how will I come and do review if I don't try other products? But in most cases, these are the products that I will still be using again and again and again and again. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section, have you tried any of these products or currently using? Let me know your experience in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on all the amazing videos. I'll see you in my next video. For now, bye.